Today in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to hide caller ID on this device. So first you should go to the phone application, and on the right upper corner tap to the three dots icon. Now just go into the settings and tap to the calling accounts. Now just go here to the settings and tap to the additional settings. Now as can you see here, we got the caller ID section. Tap there, and just to hide a number, tap here, switch the network default to the hide number, and if you just then wanted to show the number, you can switch that here. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.